This is Lieutenant, 1st Minnesota Sharpshooters, back in the workshop today to continue my work on creating Civil War body armor. Let's watch the blacksmith as he welds the 2 iron plates for extra protection. Here's a close-up of the body armor. We're back from the blacksmith. You can see the welds holding the second plate of armor into place. I think that's going to do quite nicely. Our next step is to hit these with a little bit of paint. We'll give this a light coat, and then we'll hit it up with another secondary coat. You can see I put a little edging around the side. The edges are still sharp, despite me sanding those down. I don't want anyone to get cut. Well, not too bad for the first coat. Applying the second coat of paint. Didn't really wait till the first coat was dried, but I think in this particular project, since we know we're heading out to the range, I think it hardly matters. So just to put a nice little coat on it, and when we hit it with some lead, we'll be able to easily see either if it went through or where it severely dented it. Parts, I'm pleased to say at this point the body armor is finished. Time to take this out to the range and see what we can do with it. Parts, I'm interested in your thoughts on how well this body armor will hold up. Our first attempt out in the range will be to shoot revolvers into a single sheet of body armor. Will the body armor hold up to revolvers, or will it simply pass right through? Well, until next time, see you on the field, at the range, or around the campfire.